Hello folks, hello YouTubers, outboarders, and all good people out there. Here I am getting ready to run this thing for the first time. The other day I pulled the flywheel off. Had brand new coils in it, brand new points and plugs, which I was very happy to see. So I took the plugs out, cleaned them, took the points out, cleaned them, put them back, got spark back on both cylinders. Initially there was no spark, but now I'm going to try to start it for the first time, just to kick it over, and then I'll put it in a water supply and run it again. So here goes nothing. Let's see if the outboard guards are smiling. I have not tried to start it till now. I figured it'd be a little bit more interesting that way. Unbelievable. That's the first time it's ever run. I thought it wasn't not going to start. I was getting ready to say I'll run it again at a different time. But that's fantastic. Great. I did put decals on the side of it that I had just to spruce it up a little bit, and I did clean the motor a little bit. Debating on whether to paint the lower unit or change it. I have white lower units, but we'll see. Just looks better even with the decals on it. They were 25-year-old decals I had. I'm surprised they worked, but they did. Same size and everything. Okay, so we'll get back to you on this one. Thanks for watching this short segment. I'm gonna run it with some water on it. I hope the water supply is high enough. My other pail is occupied, so I'm using my alternative pail here. It's a little low, but let's try it. See if it pumps water. Come on, baby, you can do it. Sounds really good. I didn't even do nothing to the carburetor, nothing. Unbelievable. I'm not sure that fuel pump's working, so we'll see. Pumping water. Really good. This one's too easy, folks. That's what makes motors a lot of fun to work on. Alright, so the rest of it is just to fix cosmetics and make sure it's got a good fuel pump. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. This is unbelievable. I checked all the gear shifter on it. Forward, neutral, reverse works fine. The outboard guards are smiling. Took the thermostat out the other day. And another thing I didn't mention was, before I started it the first time, I pulled the high speed out to drain the carburetor. There's a lot of dirty gas inside it. So, got it all out. And it seems to be running fine. That fuel pump seems to be working too, which is amazing. In my test, shut it off. Starts right up. Brand new ignition system. It should start up. It's got good compression too. I didn't put a gauge on it, but it snaps. It's got that snap feeling between the two strokes when it hits the top dead center on compression, so it's got to be at least 80 to 85 pounds in each cylinder. Unbelievable. La-da-da-da-dee, la-da-da. The hills are alive with the sound of an outboard motor running. Thanks, folks. Have a good one.